Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. It's raining profusely right now, and it will be all day today and tomorrow and maybe more here in Central California, Zone 9B. I'm going to show you something that for many longtime gardeners would say, oh, anybody would know that, but they don't. I get a lot of questions about this on Instagram and Facebook, and sometimes on YouTube, about I have fruit forming on my trees, let's say a plum tree, which I'm going to be talking about, this ultra dwarf weeping Santa Rosa plum, weeping tree, beautiful tree by the way, about I have fruit set, but I have so many yellow plums, or tiny little plums that aren't forming and they're falling off and they're just yellow. They don't green up. They don't, unripe plums that aren't turning green. They're just yellow, like this. So I would have a lot of people comment and say, why did I only, out of this cluster, out of this fruiting spur, did I only get one plum? What happened to the other ones? Is there a problem? Am I watering too much? Thinking that the color of the leaves yellowing means it could mean too much water, too little water for some people. So they're correlating that with the fruit. It's yellow fruit, I must be watering too much or too little, or the nutrition's off. So what you're seeing right here with the yellowing of immature fruit is typically not sufficiently pollinated or unpollinated flowers. That, or it could be just a defect, that the tree saw a defect in itself and says, you know what, these aren't going to provide good offspring. So in this case, this fruiting spur only produced one, but there's other fruiting spurs on here that produce multiple ones. I mean, there's a lot here. The whole tree is full of fruit, but in this case, many of them just didn't make it. You don't have to prune them off either. You don't have to go one by one and taking them off. They'll fall off just with a little shake even. When the months go by in the spring, especially when we start warming up, all those little ones are going to fall off by themselves. Don't waste your time thinning the fruit, thinning these fruit. You should be thinning fruit, but not those. And I'm just here to tell you, do not worry. This is normal. This tree has been in the ground for 4 years now, I believe, and maybe 3.5. Produces tons of fruit every year except this first year, and this happens all the time. So don't freak out about it. It happens all the time, It's going to happen everywhere. See the yellow? See all the immature fruit? They're all going to fall off. So nothing to worry about. Happy gardening, everybody.